We felt at peace. We felt solid in the knowledge that God was with us because we were praying this particular way. My name is Lisa. I am the Catholic Marathon Mom. If you want to just check out any videos about the Catholic faith, and I also talk about being a mom in this time. It's just pretty awesome right now to be a Catholic. I wanted to talk to you about suffering. What does that mean? What did it mean to me? And what does it mean to me now? In the past, suffering meant a really dark place, a real place of despair, and a place where you felt very alone and like, what is the meaning of what I'm going through right now? Whether it was something that was happening to me personally, or was something that I was watching on the news or around the world and things that were happening, it just seemed so sad and dark. And what was the point of this? I would often just say, oh God, help those people, or please help me in this. This is hard, this is painful, I feel alone. But the more and more I continue to grow in faith, and mostly because of the people that I've been around and gotten to meet and learn from and listen to and pray with, I have heard people pray in a different way about suffering. I was pretty sick about a year and a half or so ago. I didn't know what was going on, but I was having a lot of pain, physical pain. So I thought I was managing my symptoms. I wasn't going to go to the doctor yet, of course, because I thought, I'm a nurse. One night, my husband had left to go on a trip a couple states away for work. I was at this point where I had so much pain, and I was praying, God, please take away this pain. Please help me. Please help me to know what to do. What is the wise thing to do right now? I'm almost doubled over. I don't know what's wrong. And I just felt like I need to go to the hospital. And I have 2 kids sleeping down the hall in their rooms. I called my son. It had been 22 years since this kind of pain that I had had before on my side. Here comes the young man to my rescue, my son, and his beautiful wife come, and she stays with the kids, and he just acts like no big deal. It's the middle of the night, but let's go down, Mom, and see what's wrong in the ER. They very quickly figured I had something pretty wrong with me. They even come in and explain that, oh, they're gonna have to do this other test because they can't see exactly what's going on. Really kind of giving you that sense that, wow, lady, you're really sick. So here's my son, and he is sitting with me, staying with me, up all night. Because of this new way we had learned to pray, you would think that it would be in a room full of like tears and crying and such. We felt at peace. We felt solid in the knowledge that God was with us because we were praying this particular way. We were praying that, God, please take this suffering that I am feeling right now, reunite it to your cross, and help 1,000 other people who are sick, those who are in pain, physical pain, spiritual pain, emotional pain, mental pain. And we knew that God was answering that. We had no other idea of what to do. My son wouldn't leave until he had gotten a better understanding of what was going on. It was all very scary, and it was all very painful. It's not comfortable to be in the hospital if you've ever been in the hospital and had all kinds of, medicines and things going on. But knowing that we could pray, that there was something I could do in that time, and even in the days to come while I was still in the hospital, and the tests were still going on, that I could pray again for all the souls in purgatory, all those who were in pain, 1,000 other people who were suffering. Because when you reunite our own suffering to the cross, he suffered way more for us. So learning about that idea of being able to offer up our suffering, that really grew from praying more often. I recommend the Divine Mercy Chaplet. It's an 8-minute prayer. The chaplet, 8 minutes, I thought I could do that. And I started out just saying it on Friday around 3 p.m., the time that we believe that the Lord died on the cross. And it grew into a devotion, definitely for my daughter, and then for our whole family. That 3 o'clock hour, we pray the chaplet. But we're praying it for the souls in purgatory, all those who are sick, all those who are lonely, all those who've been rejected, all the babies in the womb, all the older people in the world who feel that they don't have a purpose. And all of those things really made our hearts grow. Hang on tight to your faith. Many blessings to you. I'll be praying for you. God bless.